Welcome back. So far you have been working with single values, one name, one number, one boolean. But real programs deal with collections of things. A playlist. A shopping cart. A list of students. Today you will learn about lists, one of the most useful tools in Python. Let's look at the code. A list is created with square brackets, and items are separated by commas. Here we have a list of 4 fruits. Each item has a position called an index. And here is something critical to remember: Python starts counting from 0, not 1. So fruits at index 0 is apple. Index 1 is banana. Index 2 is cherry. Index 3 is date. To get the last item, you can use index -1. That is a shortcut that always gives you the last element, no matter how long the list is. Now look at slicing. Fruits from index 1 to 3 gives you banana and cherry. Notice that the end index is not included. 1 to 3 gives you items at index 1 and 2, but not 3. Now look at the list methods. Append adds an item to the end of the list. Remove deletes a specific item by value. Len tells you how many items are in the list. These are the ones you will use most often. Scroll down to the sort example. Numbers.sort rearranges the list in ascending order, lowest to highest. And look at the last example, list comprehension. This is a concise way to build a new list in a single line. Read it left to right x squared, for each x in range 1 to 6. It is compact, readable, and very Pythonic. Here is your challenge. Pause the video. Create a list of 5 of your favorite movies. Print the first one, the last one, and the total count. See you in Lesson 8.